Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who I'm back with another video. Thank God for kicking it with your boy Q today. Here's Red right here. What's up, Red? Say hey, how y'all doing? So you ready to start the video? That's right, man. Today we are getting the 24x14s wrapped in 37s put back on the freaking truck here, guys. So right now I got the 37s on 24x12s. Honestly, I love this setup for a daily driver setup, bro. Like perfect. I get full lock, no rubbing at all. However, when I put on these freaking 24x14s, whole different story, bro. We are rubbing like crazy. Why are we putting the 24x14s back on? It's because LST's this weekend. Y'all know it's a big annual truck show I go to, probably last, what, 3 or 4 years. So we gotta go out there representing, man. You know, Red can't go out there half-stepping. So actually, I'm gonna go ahead and get these cleaned up. And when I say cleaned up, I'm just gonna wipe the back of them here. You know, it's a good time to wipe the back of the wheel because you don't get to clean this part too often after they're mounted. I'm just gonna use some waterless car wash spray right here. Wipe them down. Then we're gonna get them loaded up, which I don't want to do. It's gonna be a pain in the butt because these things are so freaking heavy. My elbow has been killing me. Like right now I can barely do any curls, anything. I can start finally do some pull exercises. For the most part, anything pulling, I'm having to do very, very light. I'm a little worried trying to lift these up. I'm gonna be real with y'all, but we just gonna make it do what it do.
Never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus.
I got the wheels all cleaned up. Back here on the backside, as you can see, they look so much better. I didn't really realize how dirty they were until I just went back there to clean them. And one thing that does, I didn't explain this, with my wheel lights, when you clean up the backside, Carlos told me this, just make the wheel lights look a little brighter because it's clean and reflecting off the black. Now, finally for the hard part, the part I've been dreading is loading these joints up. So yeah, here we go.
Take off the gas, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grieving. Put your foot on the gas, no, never stop competing, yeah.
I cannot get these freaking tires to stop rolling, guys. When I put them up here, they just keep rolling back.
Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break.
Man, guys, those freaking 24x14s are just so much harder to load up than these 24x12. They just want to roll backwards, bro. So annoying. Thank you to my football right here. I stuffed the football underneath one of them. That's how I got to stay just long enough for me to get them up there. Oh, this is what I was using for my camera stand right there. I had my phone mounted on this. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, go follow me on TikTok because I did post TikTok of this, or will be. And I use my GoPro just sitting here on trash can. So you don't have to have all fancy equipment, man. You just got to make do with what you got. Let's head over to the lift shop. I'm here at the lift shop here in McKinney, Texas. So if you ever want lift, wheels, tires, anything like that, if you want to buy a truck, here they go right there. Actually, they got some very nice dualies. They got a lot of dualies over here. Actually, go check these out real quick. There's some dope dualies. I ain't gonna lie, my guy Wood did it. If you watching this, bro, he just got my dually, guys, and ever since I seen this dually, I'm like, bro, that's me. Like, a dually is me, bro. Like, dually is Q for sure. Like, look at this joint right here. American Forces wheels. This is a Ram, of course. Hold on, I just caught my attention right here. These gotta be like, what, 37? Yeah, 37, 13, 520. That's a beefy setup, bro. It's a brand new joint. I see more of these, the new trucks in this configuration, the new 2023, 2024, whatever. I see most of these in dualies, guys. I see dualies in these everywhere, but they look really, really good. The dually looks good on this, I will say. Like, now looking at these two, this does look old compared to this, if I'm just being honest. But man, they got dualies out here for days, bro. Sheesh. E-wrench dually, another Ram dually, another super dually super duty dually. Trying to say that 3 times fast. They got some F150s over here too. Z71, whatever you want, guys. Lifted Trucks over here in McKinney, Texas. That's the name of the place, Lifted Trucks. I see on the sign. And then the lift shop is the service shop back here where they do my work. So anyway, I'll see y'all when they done. Nah, you all good. What's good, bro? Oh, you want to say what's up? What's up? Q, man. Nice to meet you, bro. What's your name? Kamari. Kamari? Yes, what's up, Q, bro? Nice to meet y'all, man. It's all good. Guys, so we all done. Got the 14 watts back on the truck. I know a lot of y'all are a fan of the 14s. They do look good, don't get me wrong, but I'm not a fan because of the rubbing, bro. But it is what it is, man. You know, you just go make it do what it do, bro. So here we go. I'm gonna show y'all how much turn I get. I think that's what I'm gonna miss the most is my turning radius, bro. You take it for granted until you don't got it no more. That's rubbing, like, and that's being able to turn without rubbing. Once you don't rub and then you go to rubbing, big difference, bro. It's a big difference. Guys, if I go to make this turn right here on my 12 wise, I can make this no question, like, easy. My 14s, oh, I'm not rubbing. You know I'm not rubbing, I just realized why. It's because I got those tires in the back, so the front end is kind of sitting up, but we turning right now, no rub. I usually get about a turn and a quarter before I start rubbing. Look at this one right here. Hold up. Whoa. Let me show y'all this truck, bro. This one has been kind of calling my name. I'm not gonna cap to y'all. That Super Duty right there, that red one, bro, ruby red like red, that one has been calling my name. That one is a beautiful built truck. But y'all definitely come check them out. They got some beautiful trucks. They do build beautiful trucks, man. Valley HD. Woo. Oh, that Ram? Yeah, 2018. Okay. You about to do it right now? Yeah. All right, man. Good luck. Don't be scared of it now. All right, y'all have a good one. Watch it. Everybody like the train horn, bro. I'm telling you, man, get you one. I think I'm gonna try to run the pressure on these, the 24x14. I'm gonna run it a little lower, maybe go like a 36, 37. I usually run my 37 on 24x12, like at 38, 39, 40. But with 24x14 being a much bigger and heavier, thinking maybe dropping them down to 35, 36, cushion the ride a little bit, ride a little better, a little softer ride, because all the extra weight anyway, there's already a lot of weight, so it's gonna make the ride firmer. So I'm gonna drop the tire pressure and see if I like it better. I can tell you right now, 24x14s on 37, 24x12s on 37 ride completely different, bro. Dang, somebody beating down the block. Dang, you know somebody's system loud, you can feel it in your truck. Yeah, this is the week of LST, so today is Monday. I'm not sure when I'm dropping this video, but I'll be in LST this weekend, Friday the 23rd through the 25th. So y'all see me out there, come say what's up. My truck won't be in the booth or anything. I'm just gonna be there like a spectator, just, you know, there enjoying the trucks and talking to people and just having a good time. So y'all definitely come say what's up. See y'all when we get to the house. Back home, I loaded the truck already. I didn't want to put y'all through that because y'all already seen it. It's just like loading the truck, you just do the opposite. Tire pressure sensors on these sync up. They was able to get them to sync up fine. But those on my 12 wires, for some reason, they can't get them to sync up because there's two different sets of sensors. Like this set has its own set of sensors and this set has its own set of sensors because I didn't want to go back and forth switching them out every time. And I did notice I got a nail on my other set of tires here. I saw, hopefully it didn't puncture through. The good thing about having tires this big and beefy is that usually it doesn't go through, but yeah, I got a nice little screw or nail right there. Good thing is went through the thickest part of the tires. Hopefully that didn't go through. I'll probably take that to Discount Tire and have them see if they can pull it out or something. I should do that today, actually. I really should have did that today. I was just out with the tires in my truck. Whatever. Power's back on, guys. 24x14s. I'm not gonna lie. With 24x14s on, just coming back home, everybody stares at the truck. Like, people just stare at the truck. Like, seriously. It's a noticeable difference, bro, with the look of the truck. But just getting back there in the driveway, I was pulling out and pulling back in, it was freaking rubbing. So it's just one of those things, man. You know, you just got to deal with it. But that's all I got. It's your boy Q again. I'll be at LST this weekend. Y'all come say what's up. Y'all see me. I know we talked to a lot of y'all in the comments saying you're going to be there. So hopefully I get to run into y'all. Please don't take offense. Sometimes I get the camera and I just get the running. I just get the filming. So just, you know, if you do meet me and I take off running, it's not because I'm trying to leave or get away. I'm just trying to film. It's your boy Q. Thank y'all for tuning in. I'll catch y'all next, baby. Peace.